my videos. Okay, well, welcome back. It's Lord RC Car again. And if you have seen my last video, I have a different car. This car. Oh my goodness, this car is more littler, more faster. But that other car was cool. Oh wow, maybe that's why. This is not really okay. This is not really the thing. Okay, I'm just gonna. Whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. Oh wow. Okay. We're gonna do some progress here. So we are going to. Oh my goodness, train! Leave us alone! It's like, okay, that goes in there like that. I think I don't really know, but I think it goes like that. Okay. I'm just gonna leave y'all right here. That goes there like that. I don't really know. And then this goes like that, I guess. So yeah, that goes like this. And this goes like that. Then close it up good. And then sorry there, the batteries fell out for a second. I tried to fix it. I don't really think if I did it right because I don't really know how to do the batteries. Okay, so now this is my car. The wheels, we've been dirtying them up. As you can see here, there's some stuff here, like right there. And like a long time ago, there was like dirt all over this thing. And this is how it looks like. It looks cool. This takes off easily, like all the other RC cars. The awesome remote. It could do everything. See. So in my last video, remember this is my different car. So I know I was gonna call my channel Maddie the RC Car Kid. Well, it wasn't that good because we put our own name. So this is what this is doing. We're doing this. So the 4-wheel drive is good. The battery cold right now. This is not on. And everything is good. This has some wires, 2 wires, black and red wire, and connected to it. And these, I bet these go together. They just like snap on. But we're not gonna worry about that because we're just gonna show our car off. So this is the coolest car ever. Like it's faster than my brother's. And I just got mud on myself because of it. So let's just wipe that off. Just wipe it if I can. Okay. We're just gonna leave our hand like that. It doesn't matter. Oh my goodness. Okay, that went flying. So this is my RC car. I know it's little, but it's faster than my brother's that I told you already. This could actually get wet, but it can't get wet too much because one time when it got my brother's, it got wet and he went in a bunch of water and his RC car stopped working. So we fixed it. We got all the things. One time my brother messed it up. He threw it. I know. That's sad to the RC car people. But if you're an RC car guy or kid or girl or whatever, I hope you never get in one of those situations. You could be a little kid, so this is just my cool RC car. You could do everything normal. You could pick it up just like that. And the new RC car I had for a while. And this is the other car from the future that is different. So all these are different and different and different and different. And there's it's a beautiful day kind of. And this is like all this stuff. Which this one of these, if you have a situation of your brother throwing it, one of these might pop off, but they're easy to fix. They just snap right on. My dad has a big giant one, which I'm not faster than his, but I'm almost there. I can keep up with them now. Remember that last video at the volcano here intact? That was filled with sand. So that's where we shot my brothers. You could also see, because my brother wears the Patriots socks, and I wear the Minnesota Vikings, so that's why I have that Minnesota Viking shirt and vest. Well, not really a Minnesota Viking vest, but that's where we shot that one, and that's when I had that slow car. And this is my new car. Let's do cinematics. So, if y'all like my video, then let's get it to 100 and 1,000 likes. See ya! Bye!